How I monetize my YouTube channel in 60 days. If you've been trying to go on YouTube and you feel like it's impossible to get monetized, then this video might completely change how you see YouTube. Because I created a brand new channel, obviously with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and 0 watch time. But in 60 days, it crossed the YouTube monetization requirements. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Not theory, not motivation, but the exact strategy I used, the mistakes I made, and the things that worked. So if you want to grow fast on YouTube, make sure you watch this video until the end because some of the most important strategies are the ones people ignore. Let's get into it. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dean, your number one tech guy, and on this channel we talk about tech, YouTube growth, online income, and content strategies. So if you're interested in content like that, just smash the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop a content like this. So without further ado, let's just dive in and continue. Now, before I show you the strategy I used to get monetized in 2 months, you first need to understand something important. YouTube monetization is not random. There are patterns, there are strategies, and once you understand them, growing becomes much easier. So in this video, I'm going to break down the exact niche strategy I used, the content strategies that got views fast, the upload schedule, the mistakes I avoided, and the growth tricks most YouTubers don't know. Okay, what you need to get monetized. First, let's quickly talk about YouTube monetization requirements. To get monetized on YouTube, you need either 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours in 12 months or 10 million short views in 90 days. In my case, I focus on long form videos. Why? Because they help you reach watch hours faster and also generate more income later. Now, let's talk about the first strategy that made everything work. Choosing the right niche. One of the biggest mistakes new YouTubers make is choosing a niche that is too competitive or too random. Instead of doing that, I look for a niche that has 3 important things people are actively searching for. The competition is manageable. Videos in this niche get consistent views. This is very important because if people aren't searching for your content, YouTube has no reason to recommend it. So before I even uploaded my first video, I spent time searching topics. I looked at channels that were already growing, videos with high views but small channels, topics people constantly ask about. This helped me find content ideas that already had demand. And this leads to the second strategy, the proven video method. So instead of guessing what might work, I use something called the proven video strategy. Here's how it works. I searched for videos in my niche that had high views, high engagement, and were posted recently. Then I asked myself, how can I make better version of this video? Better explanation, more updated information, better editing, better storytelling. The goal is not copying, but improving. Because if a topic already got views before, means people are interested in it, and YouTube already understands that audience. The first 10 videos rule. This is something most small creators don't realize. Their first 10 videos are extremely important, not because they will all go viral, but because YouTube is learning your audience. So for my first 10 videos, I did something very simple. I focused on one clear topic, movie recap. Okay, why I chose the movie recap niche. Before starting the channel, I spent a lot of time searching different Faceless YouTube niches, and movie recaps stood out for a few reasons. First, people love movies, yeah? Second, there are thousands of movies people haven't seen yet. And third, recap videos are very binge watchable. Someone who watches one recap often watches multiple recaps in a row. This increases watch time dramatically. But here's something important. Not every movie recap channel succeeds. So I had to follow a specific approach. Not random videos, not different niches, just one audience problem. This helped the algorithm understand who should see my videos. And after a few uploads, one video started getting traction, then another one, and that's when growth started happening. Okay, the thumbnail strategy. Most people think growth comes from the videos, but actually growth starts with a click. If nobody clicks your video, YouTube won't push it. So I spent a lot of time improving on thumbnails. My thumbnails rule were simple, very few words, clear emotions, high contrast color, curiosity. A good thumbnail should make someone think, I need to click this. And when my thumbnails improved, my click-through rate increased, which means YouTube started recommending the videos more. Okay, now hooking the viewers. Another reason why many channels don't grow is bad intros. If viewers leave in the first 30 seconds, the video dies. So I focused on creating strong hooks. I tested this YouTube strategy for 30 days and the results shocked me. This creates curiosity which keeps viewers watching. and higher retention tells YouTube the video is valuable. The next one is consistency. So this is the strategy I use to keep consistency. Before I started even uploading my first video on that channel, I made sure at least 3 videos were ready, so it will give me more time to work for the videos for the other days ahead. That is, if I'm uploading once or twice a day. This way I have more time to create for the upcoming days, and this makes their consistency easier. One of the main reasons why this channel got monetized in 2 months was consistency, because every video is another chance for the algorithm to find your audience. Some videos may flop, some may perform okay, but eventually one video can change everything, and when that happens, their other videos also start getting recommended. Next is watch time optimization. Another key factor is watch time. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube promotes them. The video that changed everything. Now here's the interesting part. After uploading consistently, I used to upload like once or twice every single day. One of my videos suddenly started getting recommended. Views started increasing. Subscribers started getting in daily. And that one video alone brought a huge portion of my subscribers and watch hours. This is something many creators don't understand. You don't need every video to go viral. You just need 1 or 2 videos to perform really well. So the biggest mistakes I avoided. There are also mistakes that slow down most channels. For example, uploading random content, changing niches too often, ignoring thumbnails, making videos too long and boring. But the biggest mistake is quitting too early. Most channels fail not because the strategy doesn't work, but the creator stops before the algorithm finds their audience. So final advice, if you're trying to grow on YouTube, remember this: YouTube rewards value and consistency. Focus on topics people care about, good thumbnails, strong hooks, consistent upload, and eventually the algorithm will start pushing your content. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more contents like this. Comment below and tell me how long you've been trying to go on YouTube. I'm curious to see where everyone is in their journey. Let's support each other and grow together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.